One quiet night around midnight, David was sitting alone in his small apartment. The city outside was calm, and the streets were almost empty. A soft wind was blowing through the open window, moving the white curtains slowly. David was reading a book while drinking a cup of warm tea. It was his favorite way to relax after a long day at work. Everything was peaceful and silent. Suddenly, his phone rang. The loud sound surprised him because nobody usually called him so late at night. David looked at the screen. It showed an unknown number. For a moment, he thought about ignoring the call, but something made him curious. After a few seconds, he answered. "Hello?" David said quietly. For a moment, there was no answer. The line was completely silent. David thought the call had disconnected, but then he heard a soft voice. "David, is that you?" David felt confused. The voice sounded familiar, but he could not remember where he had heard it before. "Yes, this is David," he replied. "Who is this?" The voice stayed silent again for a few seconds. Then it spoke slowly. "You may not remember me, but you helped me many years ago." David tried to think. His mind searched through many old memories, but nothing was clear. "I'm sorry," David said politely. "I don't remember." The person on the phone gave a small laugh. "I was a young boy then. One rainy evening, you helped me when I was lost in the city." Suddenly, a memory appeared in David's mind. About 10 years ago, he had seen a small boy crying near a bus station during a heavy rainstorm. The boy had lost his parents in the crowd. David had stayed with him and helped him find his family. "Wait, are you talking about that night near the bus station?" David asked. "Yes," the voice answered. "That was me." David felt surprised and a little emotional. "I can't believe you remember that," David said. "I remember it very clearly," the person replied. "You stayed with me for almost 2 hours until my parents came back. You told me not to be afraid." David smiled softly. At that time, he had thought it was just a small act of kindness. "Why are you calling me now?" David asked. "I called to say thank you," the voice said warmly. "That moment changed my life. Today I became a police officer and I help people who are lost or afraid, just like you helped me that night." David felt a deep sense of happiness. Sometimes small actions can have a big impact on someone's life. "I'm really proud of you," David said. "Thank you," the voice replied. "And thank you for that night. I never forgot your kindness." After a few more minutes of conversation, the call ended. David put his phone down and looked out of the window. The night was still quiet, but now it felt different. He realized something important. Even a small moment of kindness can travel through time and change someone's future in ways we never expect. David finished his tea and smiled. Somewhere in the city, a young police officer was helping people, and it all started with a simple act of kindness on a rainy night many years ago. Moral of the story: small acts of kindness may seem simple, but they can change someone's life forever. Always be kind, because you never know how your actions may shape someone's future.